My name's Dennis Veach with Roost Vans, and this is their latest van for a great customer. We put in some upper cabinetry, or standard cabinetry package on both sides. We also did a customized lower cabinet with 3 drawers as well as a front door. He wants to build the rest of his cabinet out, so we gave him a hole so that he's going to be putting in a standard sink. And we put in our standardized bed system. This is a queen version. 2 panels is a full, 1 panel is a single. And with our Fukets, front and back, where you can lift it up to get more access to the bottom and put it on down for your bed. This van has panels, bamboo, all the way around, floor and ceiling with insulation and all the wiring that we did behind them, as well as our standardized mounting system, our upper mounting kit, as well as our lower mounting kit that we can install our bed onto, and also install cabinetry onto quite safely and securely to the chassis of the van. Last thing to note is our lighting system that we installed for this customer. We have under cabinet lights, and we also tied into, here's the the ceiling lights, and we tied into the under cabinet lights as well that we installed, as well as our flip-up cabinetry. Visit roostfans.com.